All right, so today we're going to learn how to do the type tool. It's very, very simple. So there's two ways to engage the type tool. Down here on the left, where you see all of your tools, right here you could click on the T, or you could just simply press T and it'll bring the type tool up. So I have my video exactly where I want to put the new text. To start off with a lead, a title. So I'm going to take the text type tool, left click and hold, and make a box. And so I'm going to call this Blackbirds at Angel Creek. Now, this isn't exactly what I want. You know, it's too small and I want a different font. So I'm going to highlight that. And then over here on the effect controls, there will be a little spot that says text. You know, of course, this will be, the clip will be highlighted. So that's why the effect controls will be up. So I'm going to click this arrow right here, which drops down, and now I have lots of ability. Right there, it allows you to make it bigger. See, now I've got it misspelled, so you just easily just click that. But now I want to change the font. So right here, you just hit this drop down, and then you can look through, try different ones, see what you like. Futuristic, and I'm going to go with that one. Now, we can use this up here, the position, to pull it down, and then left to center it. But you know, let's look at this. It still doesn't have exactly what I want to make it pop. So I'm going to sit there and highlight it once again. I'm going to go down, and then right here you have the appearance options. And I'm going to put a shadow. So I'm going to click on that. This is your opacity. I want to put it at 100. And this is right here is how far away that shadow is going to be. So let's look at it. So you see it's getting there, but I want to increase this a little more, and then I want to increase that one a little more. And now it's starting to pop. And now I have exactly what I want. Now, I want this to fade in too. So I'm going to right click on the front by default.
That's just what happened. Kind of unfortunate, but.
And then I can pull this to make it longer, pull it in to make it shorter, but I think this is a good amount right here. So now I have.
So I do apologize for that. That's just what happened. Kind of unfortunate, but let's get back fishing.